Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I make my bed. I definitely like to make my bed on a daily basis. I also wash my sheets on a weekly basis. Just a little tip for everyone. Vinegar is a natural fabric softener, so I tend to actually use the white vinegar when I'm washing clothes just because it really makes our clothes soft. And no, it does not make your clothes smell like vinegar, if anybody was wondering. I usually have 2 sets of white bed sheets in rotation. That way when I'm washing a set, I can put the other set on the bed and it saves on time. You don't have to wait on your sheets to wash and dry before you put them back on. So that's usually what I do. If you guys are interested in the mattresses, I got them from a place called Sleep City. I believe they are only local to Texas. But I do know that these mattresses, the brand name, you can get them from the big stores like Mattress Firm, any of those furniture stores. They will probably be double the price. The place that I got them from, they are a big discount mattress place. And I'm telling you, I couldn't even believe the price because we were already looking at these mattresses somewhere else and they were double the price. So I will go ahead and link them for anybody that is interested in those mattresses. They do have a lot of settings on them and we love them. We love them. They have this setting called zero gravity and it literally feels like you are floating on clouds. I got those sheets from TJ Maxx and the sheets are called Emma and Oliver. I typically try to find those sheets when I go because they are so soft. And I actually just looked up on it and got them. And they are pretty pricey, even at TJ Maxx for sheets, but it is worth the price. So with this mattress, it's kind of hard to tuck just because it's on a frame and it has a lot of electrical components underneath. So that's why you see that's kind of the best I can do. But of course, when you put everything on there, you can't even tell. And with my comforter, I usually get different color comforters. I love white. This is a really soft, velvety type comforter. And I did get that comforter from TJ Maxx also. I just love white. I just love for things just to look clean and I know they're actually clean. I typically put my flat sheet on backwards. That way when I'm folding them like this, when I fold the sheets back, it looks so pretty. And I'll show you guys in a little bit how it actually looks. And I love pillows, you guys. I love pillows. So you will see me put quite a few pillows on this bed just because I love pillows. And again, I like for my bed to look inviting at the end of the day when I'm coming home. And I know that comforter looks white, but it's actually more of a creamy color. And I love the way it looks. I got all those pillows, these extra pillows, I got those from Home Goods. And I don't know what this color is called, but I love the color of those extra pillows that I have that I'm putting on there right now. I love the color. And this video was filmed around Christmas time, so that's why you still see that Christmas tree up. I did get that throw, and it's not even a throw, it's actually like a thin comforter.
'Cause yeah, sometimes we'll feel alone. In a second, I'll be right there. Turn around, let it rain. Turn around and let it rain on me. Don't you be afraid. Just follow me. You don't need no space. Just follow me. Like a mirror, you reflect me. Like a Friday night on the weekend, I feel blessed and free. I just don't want this moment to end. But now you say you gotta go. Baby, why you gotta go? Like a mirror, you reflect me.
My bedroom is my happy place. This is where I go to get my peace, to get my mind off of the things of the world, to change my mindset. So to me, just making sure that my bedroom is nice looking and clean and just inviting, it just makes me feel so good and puts me in a whole nother mood when I walk into my bedroom. I'm going to add a couple of more elements to the trays. If you guys didn't know, these are actually Christmas ornaments. I use Christmas ornaments throughout my house. They are very versatile. So when I'm buying Christmas ornaments, a lot of times I'm buying them for places around my house for throughout the year. And I did get those vases there from Home Goods. They are the cutest vases. So I decided to just put them in a tray in front of the bed. You guys let me know in the comments what you guys think about the look of the bed and the tray being in the front of the bed. I think it's so cute. If you guys are still here, thank you for watching all the way to the end. This is pretty much it. I'm just going to vacuum up a little bit and that will be the video. I just want to say thank you to all my old subscribers. Thank you to all my new subscribers. And if you are watching this video and you have not yet hit the subscribe button, please consider doing so. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.
'Cause yeah, sometimes we'll feel alone. In a second, I'll be right there. Turn around, let it rain. Turn around and let it rain on me. Don't you be afraid. Just follow me. You don't need no space. Just follow me. Like a mirror, you reflect me. Like a Friday night on the weekend. I feel blessed and free. I just don't want this moment to end.